Tiny baby donuts, they're smaller than a baby.
Hey guys, it's Katie and I'm here with my husband Chris.
Hi.
He's back this week. Round of applause.
Woo!
You guys asked for it.
I didn't go anywhere.
Here he is. So Chris, there is a trend that's happening all over the internet where people are making mini pancake cereal.
Wow.
Yeah, do you want to see some?
Yes, I do. Oh my God.
Look at it.
That's pretty great.
And I hope you're not excited because I'm not making that.
What?
I'm thinking donut cereal.
Whoa.
Frosted donut cereal.
That sounds really good. So you're just gonna take those little donut holes or munchkins?
No, I'm gonna make it from scratch.
I guess that should have been obvious. That sounds really delicious.
Yeah.
Donut, let me down.
No, no. I won't.
I won't not let you down.
I couldn't think of a pun. So I'm gonna try to make donut cereal, but not just any type of donut, funfetti donuts. Cause A, it's easier to use a cake box, and B, who doesn't love sprinkles in everything? I do. First thing I'm gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Preheat, done. Now I'm going to disregard the instructions on the back of this box because we wanna make a thick batter that we can pipe out, not a runny cake batter. So grab whatever cake batter you have and add it to a medium bowl. Then we're gonna add 1 egg, some oil, some water, and then whisk that right up. That funfetti smells like birthday. She is thick. That was really easy. Let's get this into a piping bag and we'll line some baking sheets with parchment. So I have my baking sheets with my parchment and I got my piping bag. For my tip, I'm using a small to medium rounded tip. And whenever you're filling a piping bag, it's easiest to fill using a tall glass or container. And then you're just gonna fill that in. Great, take a water break. Fresh. So the next part's gonna be super easy. Just have to pipe out like 1,000 perfect circles. I'm sure I can do it. To make my life a little bit easier, I'm gonna pipe a little bit of batter into each corner to help hold the parchment down. Here we go. Perfect circle. Probably not gonna happen on the first try, but we'll see. All right, here goes nothing. The batter's kind of overlapped. It's not exactly flat. So I'm gonna just dip my finger in a little water and I'm just gonna pat that down. All right, cue this going very fast. I'm gonna go put these in the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes and we'll see how it works out. Good luck. These guys look really good. I'm really pleased. A few of them lost the hole in the center, so we're gonna make some donut holes. I'll take this straw and we're just gonna poke a hole right through it. And you've got a perfect donut with a donut hole. Once all your donuts are perfect, you can move them onto a drying rack. Next, we're gonna make what I think is the most important part of any donut, the glaze. So we're gonna start off with 2 cups of powdered sugar, add meringue powder to that. This is just gonna help our glaze stiffen up faster, and then we'll just sift those 2 things together. And next time I'm gonna use a bigger bowl, because this one is way too small for this. I don't know what I was thinking. This is so funny. Me delicately trying not to get this all over the place. Next, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of water. And I love a pink glazed donut. So to make that perfect pink color, we're gonna do 3 drops of purple food coloring and 6 drops of pink. I lost count as I was talking. Hopefully, this turns out to be the right color. And you're gonna whisk that right up. Okay, our glaze is gorgeous, simply gorgeous. So now it's time to put it on top of our little babies. Start in this corner. I'm only gonna glaze a few at a time so that I can add the sprinkles before the frosting hardens. are iced. They look very, very cute. I'm gonna go throw these into a breakfast bowl and we'll go grab Chris. Chris! Here you go, fun in a bowl.
Whoa! Oh my god.
This is like a party.
Yeah, these are cool. It looks like a cereal that someone would be eating in a cartoon.
Should we try?
Yes, let's do it.
It's a donut celebration.
Donut party.
this one. It's a cookie cake milk bowl.
Cookie. That's hard to say.
Cookie.
Cuckoo, crazy, cookies. That's not stealing a slogan from another cereal.
What would the slogan be?
Tiny baby donuts.
Tiny baby donuts.
Tiny baby donuts, they're smaller than a baby.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
I've
That
never.
was tasty.
Oh, taste? Do you know that that's the name of the company?
Wait, whoa, my god!
Okay, goodbye. Get out.
Bye.
Be real.
Bye.